A video showing a Saratoga County Sheriff's deputy demanding a man's car keys is the big story this weekend. He was checking out someone's report of a suspicious vehicle early Friday morning in a parking lot in Half Moon. Lynn Falsetti spoke with attorney Paul Derohannesian about the effect of so many people seeing that video on the internet.
This video posted on YouTube has been generating a lot of steam, and now the officer seen here is in hot water. The video has been shared thousands of times, even trending nationally on Facebook. A Saratoga County Sheriff deputy seen in the video has been suspended without pay while the department conducts an internal investigation into the video. In the video, you hear the officer asking to search the vehicle. It's when the subject refuses that request that the officer began cursing at the two men, even making verbal threats at one point.
The officer has no right to search your car unless there's some exigent circumstance. And it's hard, based on what we see in this tape right here, to see that there was authority to go beyond the no that the driver gives to the police officer.
Attorney Paul Derohannesian says typically in situations like this, the officer involved isn't necessarily going to be fired, but instead could face questioning. He won't be facing any criminal charges unless he's dishonest in that.
That's where there's an additional element here of risk for the officer, is that he's forced to answer. Those answers can't be used against him criminally, but if he lies, he faces additional issues and consequences. And again, how the department deals with that, we may never know.
But because social media has outraged the public, that could force the department to take swift action.
You may see that social media may drive the response too of a police department now too, knowing that there's this level of concern by the public. So I think it's a tremendous factor in this case, something you didn't see not just 20 years ago, a couple of years ago.
In the video posted on YouTube of the incident, it sounds like the officer hits the man, but our experts say it does not provide enough evidence.
The tape does not capture everything that happened before the tape started, and that may be significant. It also doesn't capture everything that happened during the time period of this tape.
The Saratoga County Sheriff's Department is still investigating, but did say they have questioned all parties involved. They tell us they are not releasing any new information until that investigation is complete. Lynn Falsetti, CBS 6 News.